sleep. I suppose I better brush my teeth. No one likes stinky breath. What? Who used all the toothpaste? It's time to find out who the toothpaste thief is. I just need some bait. The trap is set. I better hide. The tub is the perfect spot. Now I wait. Sophia's finally out of the bathroom. I can brush my teeth at last. That's it. Keep going. My breath stinks. What have I been eating? Come on, hurry up. This will help pass the time. I'll soon have minty fresh breath. Just a little further. There's no need to rush. Phew! I made it! Just look at that smile! It's portable, too. A new tube of toothpaste. I'll just give it a little squeeze. Just a little more. Ahem. Oh no. Busted. Just play it cool. Oh, hello, dear. Hand over the toothpaste. You need to use this toothpaste dispenser. The toothpaste goes in here. It even sticks to the wall. Push the lever and the perfect amount of toothpaste comes out. Whoa! Isn't technology amazing? Now you can clean your teeth. What a beautiful night. Mom, I'm tired. Why don't you go to sleep? I'll zip up the tent. We'll be nice and cozy. No bears will get us now. I'll turn off the light. This is the life. Sweet dreams, honey. Wow, the fresh air really makes you sleepy. What was that? There's something out there. We're surrounded. Mom! You need to wake up! Go away. Mom! This is bad! I knew I hated camping! So this is how it ends? Who's there? What's all the noise? Lily, are you okay? What's wrong? There's something outside. I think it's a vampire. It was terrifying. I'm so scared. It's okay. Don't worry. I have this head torch. If there are any vampires out there, you'll see them coming. Thanks, Mom. Wait! Vampire! Ah! Ah! Sorry. You're just so pale, I thought. Give me that. Wait, I have an idea. I can use this bottle. This will fix everything. I'll face the torch down into the bottle. Then I'll wrap the strap around it. Now we have a nightlight. Pretty good, huh? Wow, Mom. That's just what we need. I feel safer already. Did you hear that? Is it a bear? A vampire? Vampire bears? It's probably nothing. Ooh, new friends to play with. Wait, they're sleeping. I don't want to wake them. I'm so glad school's over. I know, it's so boring. Let's play some games. You'll love this one. You can do it! This is tricky. I love this channel. It's so funny. So, I twist your hair like this? Girls? Are you in there? Huh? Oh no, it's Dad! Quick, hide the iPad! I didn't realize you were home. What? What are you doing? You know the rules. You need to study. Aw, but that's boring. It was Sophia's idea. I don't care. Start reading. I'll take that. Never! Why are you so strong? Give me it! No! Why would you do this? You can get it back after you study. It's a cruel, cruel world. Don't make me tell your mom. Kids today. He totally fell for it. I knew he would. Luckily, we were prepared. Let's do this. That should be secure. This channel's so funny. Are you seeing this? It's hilarious. Uh-oh. Dad! Just act natural. So interesting. What's going on in here? Oh, hi, Dad. Well done, girls. I'm proud of you. I'll leave you to it. He's gone. This was a great idea. No way! That's amazing! Let's go. Let's get ready for the picnic. I'm so excited, Mom! Ooh, jam! We'll take this. Oh, good idea! I love getting back to nature. Finding your own food, the thrill of the chase. It's such a rush! Ooh, matches! This'll come in handy. What? No! I don't think that's a good idea. Some people want to see the world burn! Okay, that cannot happen. Give me those. Aw, you always ruin my fun. I think I have an idea. I think this'll work. I'll start by removing the matches from the box. Now I need some melted chocolate. And these pretzel sticks. I'll dip the pretzel sticks into the chocolate. I'll coat one end of the stick. Then place them in the box. They'll make a delicious snack. I'll put them in the basket. This is so relaxing. It's the perfect time to catch up on my reading. Hey Mom! Can I have some more food? You know what? I'll help myself. Ooh, the matches! Now we're talking. It's time to bring the heat. Wait, that's not a match. It smells like chocolate. I better make sure. Oh, I'm so confused. It is chocolate! Wow, this is amazing! I see you found the matches. I sure did! Are you kidding me? What kind of play is that? Shoot! Sink it! Yes! All the way from downtown! Mom, I'm trying to watch this! Yes! Go! Go! Don't start the meeting without me. I'll be there soon. Did she say meeting? Mom? What is this? That's weird. Mom, no! You'll need these. Mom, we need to talk about this. I'm on my way. Mom, don't go! Okay, I can do this.
Do you really think so?
It can't be that hard. We're all friends, right? Coochie go!
What did you just say to me?
Ugh, I thought babies like that.
You're mean!
Okay, this is harder than I thought. Shh! It's okay. Please stop crying. Be quiet! Ugh! Oops! Whew! What a catch! Okay, maybe that's a little extreme. Let's try this again. How about we have some milk? That'll fix everything.
Gimme! A little closer! Come on, keep it coming!
I'm trying my best.
Hand over the milk, lady! What's the big idea?
Ugh, this isn't gonna work. There must be an easier way. Wait a minute. I think I know what to do. I'll be right back. My trusty drinks hat. Admit it, I make this look good. I need the milk. Let's do this. Open wide. It's feeding time.
Hey, this is good! I'm impressed.
See? I knew I could do this. But looking after babies is so tiring. I don't know how Mom does it.
It's sleepy time. That sounds good to me.
Look at them. They're so adorable. I guess I have a full-time babysitter.